Hey there, what's up guys? Got a quick video for you here today. Today I'm going to show you how to put your Galaxy Watch 4 into the new left-handed mode. This is a new feature that just came out with the latest update during Samsung Unpacked. And as you can see here, I am actively using the watch in left-handed mode. So you see the buttons are usually on the right or now on the left. So I was able to flip the watch and now I can use it left-handed. So it's a pretty quick and easy, guys. So I'll get it started right now. Also, just to preface this, you will need to have the latest update installed. The latest update that was released as of February 9th. You need to update and install your watch first before you can do these. All right, so the first step is to open up your settings. So go ahead and open your settings menu. Scroll all the way down to the general section. Click that. Scroll down again on this menu to the orientation section. Click on that, and then here you're going to want to select right for the wrist, since you'll now be wearing on your right wrist as normal, and then put it onto the button position as left. So we're going to be flipping the watch, and you see here the face flips so that the watch is now going to be in the position you'll be wearing once you're in the left-handed mode. So now you need to actually take off the watch itself, and you're going to have to take off the bands here. So you're gonna have to invert the way the bands are. So you're gonna have to take the top one, put it on the bottom one, take the bottom one, put it on the top. So this part can get a little tricky. The straps on the Galaxy Watch 4 are a pain to take off. You got to dig your nails in there, and they're really hard to get off. So yeah, this part might take you a little while. I'm doing this part off camera just for the sake of time, but basically, as you can see here, you're gonna turn the watch, and you're gonna put on the strap you had on the top. Take that off physically, put it on the bottom. So okay, so now that we got this thing put back together, we're gonna go ahead and slap it back on our wrist here, and then once you get it back on, you're gonna see how the watch is back to at the beginning of the video, where there we go, the buttons are now on the left, and then the orientation is now correct. So yeah, this is the left-handed mode, but there is one important thing you need to note when you're using this mode. So the orientations of the buttons are now a little bit different. So before, for example, if I pull up a notification, to go back on notification, it used to be the bottom button, now it's on the top. And before, to go back to the home, for example, it was the top button, but now that button is on the bottom. So that's a big difference. If you're in the left-handed mode, you gotta kind of reprogram your brain to know that the top is now the go back button and the bottom is now the home button. So it kind of sucks, but hey, at least we got left-handed mode. So yeah, that's it. That's all it takes to put your watch into left-handed mode. So yeah, if this video was helpful to any of you fellow lefties out there, go ahead and leave a like and leave a comment. Let me know what's your favorite thing and least favorite thing about being a lefty. I'm curious about what you guys got to say about being, southpaws. So yeah, if you like this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, I got a lot of good videos coming as well. So if you're a fan of tech videos, go ahead and subscribe. And yeah, that'll do it for this one. Till next time, take it easy.